Today guys, I am in airport. You can see a airport thing right over there and right over going like landing. Okay, this is the airport place. We see plane landing. I'll show you a plane right over, just right over there, somewhere here. And see this. The plane will land here one time or something. We'll see. Oh, see that plane going up. Okay, guys. See this going up. I can see an abandoned plane. Can you see that white thing right over there? That is the abandoned plane. And the plane is taking off. Okay, take care. See you, like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.